Take a look at that. Hello everybody, today I have the CUSIMAX Smokeless Grill. Now, we are going to unbox this first before we go ahead and see exactly how smokeless this really is. We'll let you know what we think. This is our unboxing and review of the CUSIMAX Smokeless Grill. Alright, so now we have everything unboxed and we have all our parts here. And we're going to go ahead and put this all together for you to see and put it to action. We've got about 25 quarter-pound patties ready to cook, and we're going to cook them on this smokeless grill right now just for you. Let's go ahead and check it out and see what we think. Looks like we can get about 6 quarter-pound patties on there. So far, no smoke. Otherwise, we are starting to get some, looks like precipitation from the heat. Throw some cheese on it. All right, let's go ahead and pull off our first set of burgers. Take a look at that. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out. I've got an air purifier in the background going on right now. This air purifier is capable of measuring the pollution in the air, and this was the best way for us to actually make sure that this was a smokeless grill. Beyond that fact, it's a great appliance. I love it. We're going to be using this a lot. Personally, because I don't like smelling like smoke all the time. We do have lots of grilling that happens around this time of year, especially around these parts. And I actually need to put this next set of burgers. So thanks for joining me on this video. Hopefully it helped you in your decision making on whether or not to get the CUSIMAX Smokeless Grill. Have a wonderful day. My name is Keely316 with Ohana Reviews. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. As always, mahalo and awa.